Good day, everyone, and welcome to another episode of I Try and Help You with Stuff. Today's subject is mean, median, mode, and range. That's right, today we're going to be talking statistics, and if you'll please direct your attention to the top of the page, you may or may not have already noticed that we have some data points. Now, we want to find out the average. We want to find out the mean. The average is the mean, and to find the mean, you have to add them all up. So first of all, let's add up all of these data points. You can do it in your head and do it on a calculator, do it whatever way you want, but if you do it, you're going to find out that all those numbers add up to 63. Now, there's only one more step to finding the mean. We have to divide the sum by the number of numbers. Well, how many numbers are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so we're going to divide the sum, which is 63, divided by the number of numbers, which is 9, which 63 divided by 9 is 7. And that, my friends, is the mean. And here's your catchy little jingle to help remember how to find the mean. To find the mean, you got to add them all up, then divide the sum by the number of numbers. What I mean with mean is that we're averaging, or we're finding the average of a set of data. So now that we've found the mean, let's find the median. When I say median, you say middle, median, median. When I say median, you say middle, median, middle, median. Now, very important that when you're finding the median, that you order the numbers from least to greatest. You'll notice that I've conveniently got that finished for you. You always want them ordered from least to greatest, and then you just find the number that is exactly in the middle. So you can do that by going Joe, Flo, Joe, Flo, Joe, Flo, Joe, Flo, Jello. The middle number of this set of data just so happens to be 9. And that, my friends, is the median. Now, what do we do about the mode? Mode occurs the most. Most occurring number. Yo, I'm the mode and I must be treated with respect because I'm the most repeated. So you're just looking for the number that's repeated the most. Well, look at there. 9 is repeated the most, and hence 9 is the mode. Oh, gosh. Like how I'm using different colors for each of these. Hey, it makes it more colorful. And then finally we come to the range, and yeah. I got the range. Take the biggest, subtract the smallest. Holler at me if you got the range. So what is the biggest number? The biggest number is 10. The smallest number is 2. 10 subtract 2 is 8. And there you have it, my friends. Mean, median, mode, and range. I do hope that was helpful. Ta-ta for now.